Welcome to Facts for Real Videos YouTube channel. Facts about cheesecakes. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's start the video. Cheesecake is a sweet dessert consisting of one or more layers. The main and thickest layer consists of a mixture of soft, fresh cheese, typically cottage cheese, cream cheese, or ricotta, eggs, and sugar. If there is a bottom layer, it most often consists of a crust or base made from crushed cookies or digestive biscuits, graham crackers, pastry, or sometimes sponge cake. Cheesecake may be baked or unbaked and is usually refrigerated. Cheesecake is usually sweetened with sugar and may be flavored in different ways. Vanilla, spices, lemon, chocolate, pumpkin, or other flavors may be added to the main cheese layer. Additional flavors and visual appeal may be added by topping the finished dessert with fruit, whipped cream, nuts, cookies, fruit sauce, chocolate syrup, or other ingredients. Cheesecake fun facts. The first cheesecake may have been created on the Greek island of Samos. Physical anthropologists excavated cheese molds there, which were dated circa 2000 BC. A cheesecake, at least an American-style cheesecake, is not a cake. It's a baked cheese custard pie with a crust. The uncooked custard filling is poured into a crust and then baked. It is believed that cheesecakes were served to athletes competing during the first Olympic Games in 776 BC to give them energy. Modern commercial American cream cheese was developed in 1872 when William Lawrence from Chester, New York, while looking for a way to recreate the soft French cheese Neufchâtel, accidentally came up with a way of making an unripened cheese that is heavier and creamier. Other dairymen came up with similar creations independently. The largest cheesecake ever made weighed 4,703 pounds. Philadelphia Kraft Foods Mexico made the cake on January 25, 2009 in Mexico. Even though he is best known for his signature sandwiches, Arnold Rubin, 1883 to 1970, is generally credited for creating the New York-style cheesecake. Rubin was born in Germany, and he came to America when he was young. The story goes that Rubin was invited to a dinner party where the hostess served a cheese pie. Allegedly, he was so intrigued by this dish that he experimented with the recipe until he came up with the beloved NY-style cheesecake. On The Golden Girls, the cast consumed more than 100 cheesecakes over the course of the TV show's 7-year run. Modern cheesecake is not usually classified as an actual cake, despite the name. Compare with Boston cream pie. Some people classify it as a torte due to the usage of many eggs, which are the sole source of leavening, as a key factor of cetacean needed. Others find compelling evidence that it is a custard pie, based on the overall structure, with a separate crust, the soft filling, and the absence of flour. Other sources identify it as a flan or tart. The modern cheesecake. The English name cheesecake has been used only since the 15th century, and the cheesecake did not evolve into its modern form until somewhere around the 18th century. Europeans began removing yeast and adding beaten eggs to the cheesecake instead. With the overpowering yeast flavor gone, the result tasted more like a dessert treat. The early 19th century cheesecake recipes in A New System of Domestic Cookery by Maria Rundell are made with cheese curd and fresh butter. One version is thickened with blanched almonds, eggs, and cream, and the cakes may have included currants, brandy, raisin wine, nutmeg, and orange flower water. Modern commercial American cream cheese was developed in 1872 when William Lawrence from Chester, New York, while looking for a way to recreate the soft French cheese Neufchâtel, accidentally came up with a way of making an unripened cheese that is heavier and creamier. Other dairymen came up with similar creations independently. Modern cheesecake comes in two different types, along with the baked cheesecake. Some cheesecakes are made with uncooked cream cheese on a crumbled cookie or graham cracker base. This type of cheesecake was invented in the United States. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming amazing and informative videos.